Hello and welcome guys to this Power and Tech, and today we'll be doing the unboxing of Jbl C100Si. Sorry for the echoed sound, but that's all I have now. I haven't uploaded any video for a long time, so let's get into it. Onto the box, we got not much, just some branding and stuff. And you can see JBL sound signature, lightweight, one button. It has a mic as well. 3 ear tips, so there's nothing much fancy going on to get into the box. Get straight into the box. Now something is there, right? Let's cut the seal up. Okay, nothing much fancier than that. Okay, some manuals. Okay, it's completely on you to read these. Some other stuff. Yes, there will be a warranty or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, these are your ear tips. These are the headphones themselves. Okay, let's peel them off out of the box. That's too much. These are the headphones themselves. Be sure not to pull out the strings when you take them out of the box, because it seems too delicate. At this price point you cannot ask for much. This is all you have, because this thing truly does not feel sturdy at all, so use it pretty well and protect it from stuff like pulling and stuff like that. The ear tips, and there's just some angular stuff going on, and there might be some good passive voice cancelling and stuff, noise cancelling stuff. This feels pretty strong. These are good.